Welcome back everyone. So let's move forward here with the next programming problem based on a string concept in Python programming. So till now we were just moving out forward. We were just moving further with the concept of Python programming. Okay, and we have seen the different data structures. Let's understand the better manner of a string concept. So they're telling us to find the palindrome of a string, whether the string is palindrome or not. Okay. So what is this palindrome means? Okay, let's move toward the Visual Studio Code. So palindrome basically means you're going to check the string that is reversely similar to the original string or not. Let's say I have a string, let's say I'm having a string madam. So the reverse of madam would be again madam or not. That concept refers to the palindrome. Let's say I have a string s which is going to, let's say madam example only. I'm going to use the slicing concept here. Let's say I'm going to just reverse out the string which is going to store out here as okay within this colon which is going to take the string from outer side. If s is equals to rev, and that condition simply print out my okay. If I'm just going to print out for better experience for user this string, let's say print statement string is okay. And if I'm just going to print out here simply it is palindrome, else we know that it's not palindrome, right? Not palindrome. If I'm just trying to run the program, the string is palindrome, right? Let me just cover it properly. You can see that, right? So this is how, if I'm just going to change out a little bit, we'll get the response of else part, not palindrome, right? This is how you can just check out the concept of palindrome in Python.